Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to get the getters using custom functions. So currently we are implement the getters in a main method. So only we can create a getter of instance and we can pass in a getter as a pass inside the getter as a parameter. Now I move this code inside the custom function. For that we need to create the custom getter methods. Custom getter. Now implement getter. First is just state string. Now need to add the override method. It should be integrator. This consists three parameter: state, element, and downstream. Now for predicate I add one private integer minimum length. I catch this value from constructor. Now I add constructor and return. No, I add what value predicates element value length should be length, then return downstream push. So downstream push means in output stream it is at the element. In else you can also return true. Now void. It is a state. It is a input stream, output stream, and it is a state. An integrator first state, second is input stream, and third one is a output stream. Now our custom getter implementation is done. Now we are going in a getter class and here pass new custom getter and here pass two value like 2 now fourth. Now I run this program and we can see that it is written those elements which have more than 4 and 4 length, and I suppose I pass here 5, then it is check into getter custom classes and return those value which have 5 length and more than 5. So this way we can implement custom getter. Here what we do here implements interface getter and define first is a input stream, state, and output stream. In integrated method it is actually push those elements which have been required to add. So inside the integrator method we can implement our custom logic, so it is flexibly we can add here. So comparative filter, it is flexibly we can implement in our program.